So guys, it's Coach Favor, and if you are into this folk tale of a thing, like you they create stories, like you do create stories. So peradventure you come across a thumbnail that you like, but obviously you don't know how to generate that particular kind of thumbnail. This video will be teaching you how to achieve that kind of thing. Like I saw a thumbnail now that caught my hair. Something like this now is something that people would want to know how to do. So this formula can work for even your horror movie creation of thumbnails and anything thumbnail at all. In fact, even with somebody's picture, you can learn how to generate someone's flyer, someone's poster, someone's banner using this particular formula. Just stick with me without missing any step. And sometimes even when you are not creating a thumbnail that looks like that or that particular picture, copy it and do this process so you will have an idea on how to prompt ChatGPT or any AI software to create that particular kind of image. It will help you when you get to a video like that, so you can upgrade, like just upgrade yourself in your thumbnails. Click on the three lines that is here, and then you share. Click on share, and then you copy the link. Now we are done with step one. Move out and then come to your browser, any browser or tool of your choice. So peradventure, all you just have to do is that you just have to click on these three lines that is here. Type YouTube thumbnail extractor and then search for it. YouTube thumbnail extractor. So now let's check out this first one. Scroll up a bit. Of course, you should know this is a mobile device. And then enter the URL of the thumbnail. This is it here. And then we'll click get thumbnail. Let's see something. So guys, this is our thumbnail now. And so what we have to do next is to download this thumbnail. Let it become like, let it go into our storage. So simple and short, I'll just have to click on the image for a while and then I download image. The moment I download my image, download again. Congratulations, we are done with that stage. Now the next thing we'll head up to is to go to our normal platform. If you have been with me here, you will know that for everything I've been showing you now during this period, we are working with ChatGPT. And so if you have not joined my community, use the link in the Telegram in the description below. You will see my WhatsApp channel and then my Telegram channel. You will ask all your questions there. Go to ChatGPT and then click on the plus icon. Let me remove this thing. Click on the plus and then click on photo. Click on the particular thumbnail. Click on add. And then you say give me prompts to generate this kind of image, and then we'll send it. Now if you have been with me, you will know that the software we use in generating our image is actually ImageFX. So let's select the text. Let's check it out if really what we got, if what ChatGPT gave us is what we need. Select text and then copy. Hyper realistic, blah blah blah. This is the first one, so copy. And then I will move to our web browser again. Now we'll leave this one now and we'll go for another one called ImageFX. If you have not gone to the ImageFX, create an account. Just search ImageFX on your phone or browser or software, laptop, anyone. ImageFX, and then you see this down part is where we usually paste our stuff. Okay, let me sign in first. Perfect. So we'll click on this down part and then we'll paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave us, and then we'll click the normal location which is there. So now you can see the ones that he gave to us. You can see it. He gave us in an African style. So if this is not the type you want, you can go and tell ChatGPT that it should not be an African woman. It should be in a specific kind of style or whatever. But when you change this kind of thumbnail like this, I would like you to add a text to it, more especially when you're a beginner, because you see the way that video is, she got views, her page has already gone viral. So if you add a text to it to make the thumbnail look more clickable, I think as a beginner you will get more click-through rates. Don't just do it, let the thing stop like our own. Subscribe, drop your questions, or give me a compliment in the comment section. Don't forget to as well join my community and share this video to your friends. Coach Favor really cares.